exactly planning on making a picking video tonight. I was actually wanting to lube those guys up real good and get into them and start rekeying. I did rekey the 700 already. No chances of getting into the multi-lock yet. It is an MT5 core. It's not MT5 Plus. I did get into the luster line lock. No big surprise there. Didn't take much for me to get into it. And it was a little rusted up, so before I repin it, because when I took it apart, I didn't realize that the spring caps were uncovered and the springs just flew all over the room. So, but one thing, I did mess around a little bit. So I want to try to pick this Kryptonite tubular lock. I've never picked a tubular lock before. So I think it should be pretty interesting. Okay, but I did make a tool that should help me out some. Where'd I put it? I made a tubular tension wrench. And I just made it out of a piece of fish tape. Just kind of bent it around, ground into it. But, you know, it works. It gets us in there and tensions it. But it does kind of hide this top pin here. So when I pick, I may just have to... Well, it looks like I can get around the top of it by putting a little heavier tension on this thing. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3. Wow, that guy is seriously bound. Maybe I got too much tension going. From what I think, though, the only bad thing about these tubular locks is if you don't have a key for them, and once you pick them to unlock, you got to pick them to lock them back, I think. I got a nice click there. Trying to find another binder. And also trying to figure out what type of tension I need. Like I said, I have never even touched one of these before right now. I've seen videos of them, that's why I know how to push the pins down, but okay, I got a slight turn on the core when I push that one. Okay, there's one turn. So I don't know how many times I've got to turn this, 2 or 3 times maybe. Got a slight turn on the core right there. And just moving around. Just gotta push every pin. Okay, nothing on that pin back there. This is just definitely my first attempt at making a wrench like this. My next one will probably be quite a bit different. Won't be blocking a pin, that's for sure. Okay. That pin finally pushed down a little bit. I've got a slight turn on the plug right there. I'm kind of having to look around the camera to do this too, so if I'm breathing in the camera too much, guys, just turn the volume down. There we go. All right, I just picked my first tubular lock. And, yep, you've got to pick it back twice to lock it back if you don't have the key. With this particular wrench. I don't know if the other wrenches have that problem, but this one sure does, because it ain't coming out. Anyway, guys, stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And please, like and subscribe.